The question we are confronting here is the human being free? Are we free?
The answer to the question is yes. We can make choices, yet we cooperate them with internal and external realities, ultimately leading to the fulfillment of one's personhood.
Freedom is not a mere act of randomness. Rather, it requires consciousness, rationality, and engagement with value-laden objects. True freedom necessitates a cognitive understanding of choices and their consequences. One must have the ability to discern the value of objects and respond accordingly. Additionally, freedom is a collaborative effort that involves the integration of internal realities and external gifts into one's life. This cooperative engagement with gifts contributes to the realization of personhood and underscores the interdependence between freedom and external influences. Finally, freedom requires an intentional approach to living.
However, with regard to the first point, others say that it is important to distinguish between options, freedom, and choice. While choice implies the ability to select between options, freedom goes beyond that and encompasses the ability to make choices that align with one's value, belief, and goals. With respect to the second point, other thinkers argue that our freedom is also influenced by our internal realities, choices, and limit our freedom if we are not able to recognize and challenge them. And about the third point, some people will claim that our freedom is also shaped by societal norms and expectations. This societal pressure can restrict our choices and limit our sense of freedom.
The first objection, we answer that while choosing is a component of freedom, true freedom encompasses more than mere selection, extending to the alignment of choices with one's values and beliefs. To the second, we reply that indeed internal reality such as emotion and past experiences can influence our freedom, but recognizing and challenging them is essential to maintaining agency over our choices. To the third one, we say that societal norms and expectations may indeed impact our sense of freedom, yet acknowledging and resisting such pressures can help to reclaim autonomy and genuine freedom.
For example, an individual may feel pressured by societal expectations to pursue a certain career path, limiting their sense of freedom to explore other options. Another one is that cultural norms might dictate certain behaviors, constraining individuals' choices and hindering their ability to express themselves authentically. To illustrate the third one, consider the case of a person who feels obligated to conform to gender roles prescribed by society, restricting their freedom to express their true identity.
We realize that while freedom is often associated with choice, it extends beyond mere selection to encompass the alignment of choices with personal values and beliefs. Aside from that, acknowledging and challenging internal influences such as emotions and past experiences is crucial for maintaining agency over our choices and preserving our freedom. Lastly, resisting societal pressures and norms can help individuals reclaim autonomy and genuine freedom, allowing them to live authentically according to their own values and beliefs.
To conclude, the complexity of human freedom encompasses more than mere choice, involving the alignment of choices with personal value, the recognitions and challenge of internal influences, and the resistance to societal pressure, ultimately leading to the realizations of genuine autonomy and fulfillment.
So starting today, we will acknowledge the complex nature of freedom, striving to align our choices with our values and beliefs. We will also remain vigilant against internal influences that may delay our freedom, actively working to recognize and challenge them when necessary. And finally, we will resist societal pressures that seek to dictate our choices, asserting our autonomy and striving for authentic expression of our true self.